Have a nice day everyone. All of you are welcome back to my channel. Before going to video, if you are not subscribed me yet, subscribe my channel to watch more videos. Okay, today I am going to describe you about what are the characteristics of living organisms. I hope you all watched my previous video, Introduction to Biology. In that video, defined biology as the branch of science that concerned with the study of living things or living organisms. So, who are these living organisms? So let's see what are the properties or the characteristics of living organisms. Non-living things may show some of these characteristics traits, but only living things show all of them. The first characteristic that's shown by living organism is organization. Living things are highly organized. They have very systemic organization even in a living body or living part. Life has levels of organization that ranges from simplest to the most complex. This is the systemic organization of living organisms in biosphere. The basic level of this organization is atom. Atom is a particle matter which consists of central nucleus that is usually surrounded by one or more electrons. In the next level, a group of atoms bound together and form molecules. Cell organelles like nucleus, mitochondria, ribosomes are made up of molecules. Cell is made up of set of cell organelles. Cell is the basic structural and functional unit of the living organisms. There are different types of cells including living things. We'll see more about cell on my next video. Okay, to the next. A group of same functioning cells are made a tissue, and organs are made up of different functioning tissues. Systems are made up from a set of organs, and these systems together make an organism. A group of organisms make a population, and two or more populations together make a community. Collection of different community makes an ecosystem. So, the biosphere is made up of a collection of ecosystems. Even unicellular organisms are complex. Each cell made up of cell organelles and cell structures which are made up of atoms. Multicellular organisms such as humans are also made up of many cells. The cells in multicellular organisms may be specialized to different functions and are organized into tissues. The second property that's shown by living organisms is metabolism. When we are considering about the existence of life on Earth, living things must use energy and consume nutrition to carry out the chemical reactions that sustain life. So the sum of the total biochemical reactions occurring in an organism is called as metabolism. Metabolism can be divided into two parts as anabolism and catabolism. In anabolism, organisms build up complex molecules from simpler atoms. These types of reactions consume energy. As an example, we can get photosynthesis process for anabolic reaction. In catabolism, they do in reverse reaction. Complex molecules break down into simpler ones. As an example, in respiration, glucose molecules are break down into water and carbon dioxide molecules while releasing energy. During metabolic processes, organisms maintain a material exchange relationship with the external environment. The third character of organisms is excitability and homeostasis. Capability of responding for stimulants is called excitability. Living organisms are achieving their functions such as security, nutrition, and reproduction through excitability. As an example, quickly getting off our hand when touches a heat substance. Due to the coordination of an organism with the external environment, the activity of the internal organs of the body coordinates. The fourth property is growth and evolution. Growth is the process of increasing the dry weight of an organism. This is an irreversible action. Evolution is all the changes that happen within the transformation of zygote into an organism. Growth and evolution give the maturity to organisms that need to live independently in the environment. The fifth one is adaptation. Adaptation is a change in structure, function, or behavior by an organism to improve its chance of survival in specific environment. These adaptations may be short-term or long-term. Sweating when the environmental temperature increases. Adaptations of xerophiles to reduce transpirations are some examples for adaptation. The next property is reproduction. Reproduction is the process of producing new offsprings in a species. Every organism dies after a specific lifetime. Reproduction gives species to survive on Earth by producing new generations. Okay, thanks for watching my video. Subscribe me to watch more videos.